India's new digital personal data protection gives every user the right to erasure. This means any app storing your Aadhaar or PAN must delete it when you ask. But today's KYC system don't work like that. They just store your identity data in their own databases, creating huge legal risk under DPDP Act. Like you can see in the image, my friend just leaked my Aadhaar data from random database, right? So this create huge legal risk of 250 crore rupees. Now some companies might think that the blockchain is the solution for this, but in reality blockchains are permanent by design. It makes the situation even worse. If you store identity data on chain, it can never be erased, which directly conflicts with the right to erasure. So developer faces serious dilemma. If you store data, you break DPDP. If you put it on chain, you break privacy. If you don't verify, you break compliance. So we are bringing the solution AlgoKyc SDK. With this, apps get compliance, user keep privacy, and no raw identity data is stored anywhere. You can see this is the SDK, and we have the documentation where the developer can just use 3 lines of code and just integrate our whole cryptographical infrastructure under the hood. And this is our white paper if you want to go in depth about our architecture and state of the art cryptographical engineering, how we made it. Let me show you the user flow of a DF which integrated our SDK. The user uploads their offline Aadhaar XML file. They can use DigiLocker also. Instead of sending this to a backend server, verification happens locally in the browser. We use cross-circuit zero-knowledge architecture to verify the UIDAI RSA248 signature directly on the client side. This means the app never sees the user raw identity. You can see it's generating the proof, right? In under 10 seconds, it generates a growth 16 zero knowledge proof using WSM. The XML is immediately deleted from memory. Only the cryptographical proof and a per application nullifier are sent to algorithm testnet. Our custom logistic verifies the proof on chain and the user received a verified credential. Data stored anywhere? Zero. Here's the catch, what most competitors are missing. Full anonymity is not acceptable for Indian regulators. Under DPDP Act, system must allow lawful access when required, for example in cases of fraud or money laundering. Pure privacy system fail here. So AlgoKyc introduces something new, conditional accountability. During proof generation, an encrypted identity block is created and stored in Algorand block storage. No single entity can read it. The key is split using Shamir's secret sharing into 5 parts. At least 3 out of 5 independent custodians must approve before it revealed. So here I am showing you how the previous hex I here right here, and then I write the reason that this person did money laundering, right? Then I create an order. Now I need to vote it. Okay, votes are recorded on chain. One approval. Now I will just go demo wallet. I hard coded the wallets for demo. Now second approval. Now let's go for the third approval. Okay, uh, let's do it. Okay, so yeah, the threshold is met. Okay, the master key is reconstructed in memory, and you can see the identity is revealed only to the authorities. The user's credential is instantly revoked on chain. The key is when wiped, no permanent exposure. You can see the testnet transaction here. So yeah, AlgoKyc solves the core conflict between blockchain and privacy laws, a full cross-circuit ZK proving system. Thank you.